Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable green dot on iPhone's camera indicator. So guys, as you can see this a little green dot whenever you open the camera on your iPhone. Here I will show you how can you disable this dot indicator on your camera whenever you open the camera. So guys, here you can see this whenever you open any cam on your device, it will give you a dot on the corner which indicates that your camera is on. So guys, here you can see this. If I swipe it down, here you can see the other settings for your camera as well. So guys, here you can see this. And if you want to disable this, I will tell you that there is no any option to disable this option or feature on your iPhone's camera. So guys, here you can see this. If you open any camera app, it will be appeared in the corner. Here I am opening my Snapchat, and right now you can see the green dot again as indicator on your iPhone. So guys, basically it informs you that your iPhone's camera is being used if this dot is appeared on the corner. So guys, whenever you close the window or the camera or the other camera app, it will be disappeared. So guys, here you can see this. You have to simply close all the camera apps and the dot will be removed from the corner. So guys, in this way you can also remove the green dot in iPhone's camera whenever you open it. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.